Hey everybody, welcome back. This week we're going to be going over a custom hash table implementation in C++ and comparing its performance with the standard C++ unordered map. Let's do a quick code overview. This implementation consists of two main files. We have our main.cpp file and a hashtable.h header file. So in our main.cpp file, we have our standard includes and namespace declarations. So this is our standard library headers and custom hash table header file that's included. And then we have some performance test functions. So performance test custom, this tests the custom hash table implementation. Then we have a performance test std or standard function, and this tests the standard unordered map for comparison. And then we have our main function, which runs the performance test for both implementations with different operation counts. And then on our hashtable.h file, our header file, we have class definition. This declares the hashtable class template with key value pair types. We have our private members, so the data structures, vectors for storing key value pairs and occupancy status, and helper methods, hash1, hash2, double hash, and resize functions. And then we have our public interface. So this is a constructor and basic operations for insert, retrieve, and remove. And we have utility methods, get size, get count, print, and clear. Then we have our method implementation. So we insert, this adds a key value pair, handles collisions, and resizes when necessary. Then we retrieve, which searches for a key and returns its value. And then remove, which deletes a key value pair and rehashes subsequent elements. So this implementation uses double hashing for collision resolution and includes dynamic resizing to maintain performance as the table grows. Now let's take a look at the program output. So we ran some performance tests, and it ran with 100, 1,000, and 10,000 operations on both our custom hash table and the standard unordered map. So in summary, our custom hash table performance for 100 operations, our hash table took 26 milliseconds and successfully inserted all 100 elements. For 1,000 operations, it took 217 milliseconds, and again, this is all insertions being successful. And then for 10,000 operations, it took 2,112 milliseconds with all 10,000 insertions successful. I want to note that the output that is in the Excel spreadsheet is from a previous run that I did, and the output will be a little bit different from what's in the video. So I just want to note that if look at the numbers and you see that they're different. Anyway, so notably our retrieval success rate was low, with 0, 0, and 97 successful retrievals respectively. This suggests an area for improvement in our implementation. Now with the standard unordered map performance, the standard unordered map significantly outperformed our custom implementation. 100 operations was 0 milliseconds, 1,000 operations was 1 millisecond, and 10,000 operations was 15 milliseconds. So when we look at the time complexity, our custom hash table shows linear growth in time as operations increase, while standard unordered map maintains near constant time performance. Now, we'll note that in the graphs that I have here, they're actually in logarithmic scale. So this will show an exponential growth rather than a linear. But if you go back to a standard non-logarithmic scale, it is linear. And then for insertion, the hash table successfully handles all insertions, demonstrating effective resizing and collision handling. For retrieval, the low retrieval success rate in the custom implementation indicates a potential issue with the hashing or search algorithm. So that's an area for future improvement. And then the remove operation appears to work correctly, maintaining an accurate count of elements. And then finally, resizing. The output shows the hash table resizing multiple times, growing from an initial size of 10 to 20,480 for the 10,000 operations. So in conclusion, while the custom hash table successfully implements basic functionality, it significantly underperforms compared to the standard unordered map. Main areas for improvement are the retrieval efficiency and overall time complexity. This project demonstrates the challenges in implementing efficient hash tables and the sophisticated optimizations present in standard library implementations. So if we were to map out any next steps, we would want to improve the implementation. We could optimize the hashing function and refine the retrieval algorithm, and then investigate ways to reduce the frequency of resizing operations. So that's about it for this week. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below and hit the like button, and we'll see you all next time.